One advantage in painting a garage floor is it looks a heck of a lot better and it's easier to keep clean. But you have to prepare any surface you're painting, particularly a garage floor that has oil spots all over it and probably has never really been cleaned very well. So you need to take care of oil spots by using a degreaser and then a masonry cleaner for the rest of the surface. And you'll probably want to do it one day and allow it to dry overnight before you apply your paint or your coating. Now there's a lot of different types of garage paints out there. Not that expensive, fairly easy project to complete, but what I would recommend you use is an epoxy coating. And you can create a very nice non-skid surface by adding either sand or some of the decorative sprinkles so that you end up with an awesome looking floor and one that's a lot safer to walk on.